Nilay Letranista. Reflection. Silo 3. A. Quote a biblical passage that relates with your module experiences. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord, plans to prosper you and not to harm you, plans to give you hope and a future. Jeremiah 29 verse 11. This verse comforted me during the module when I felt uncertain about my path. It reminded me to trust God's plan. What are the learning activities and experiences done in the module? I practiced the 4 G's and wrote a prayer of discernment, laudatory for our BSC podcast. I interview a married couple about their life, faith, and commitment. My BSC partner, Paul, interviewed another same person who shared their vocation story. I also complete the mastery quiz. See, what did I learn from the task that I've done in this module? What did I do well in this particular module? I learned that vocation is lived day by day through small acts of love and commitment. I did well preparing through truthful questions for the podcast and being honest in my reflections. What are my strengths and weaknesses that I have discovered and accomplished in the task in this module? How do I feel about my work performance? My strength is listening and learning from others. My weakness is overthinking and doubting myself sometimes. Overall, I'm proud of my participation. I feel like I grew in prayer and clarity. E. What were the challenges, difficulties that I've encountered in finishing my silo task? Reflecting on my own vocation felt like heavy at times, and I was nervous before podcast. Time management was a bit tough, but those challenges made the experience more meaningful. Thank you.